Hello Canopies, welcome back to another interesting study vlog. Today I woke up late and you can see the time right now. It is almost 10:16 a.m. in the morning, and let's start studying with polity first. I have already made my plan to study polity for mains. You can see here, and I have made complete plan from July to December. As I already said, I couldn't follow the plan that I did in the earlier month, so you can see the fresh planning that I start. For polity, I'm giving 20 days, that is for mains, and I have also noted down the marks. This is like weightage marks for each subject, and accordingly I have allotted days till December, and I'm going to study accordingly. All right. And yeah, today we're going to start with polity. Let's do some planning, what all to study today.
What the dog doing?
So guys, these are all my short notes that I made during prelims. So this comes handy in order to remember all my articles that I have noted, all the parts, schedules, and fundamental rights, TPSPs. Yeah, this is about preamble. This is very short and crisp notes that will be helpful for my mains as well. So I am just segregating all of this.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So guys, till now I just made some short and very crisp notes of topics that is derived from this syllabus. You can see here I have broke down polity syllabus of GS paper 2 like this, and I'm writing important themes that I have to study, and I also took some repeated themes as from pre-YQs and made short notes like this. For example, you can see here features parliamentary form of government, presidential versus parliamentary form of government. Like from here, what can be asked, like comparing those and shifting from parliamentary to presidential form, and what are the benefits of parliamentary system, and some salient features that are already mentioned in Laxmikanth. After that, I'll add some value addition like Supreme Court judgments, any courts, or any diagrams, flowcharts. I'll add and make one-page short notes for each and every topic that I have analyzed and mentioned it here.
What the dog doing?
I recently bought one of the bestseller PYQ book from Disha publication. So this is thoroughly revised and updated 17th edition of 32 years topic-wise PYQs for prelims from the year 1995 to 2026. This contains both the papers GS1 and CSAT. All the topics in this book are well structured and organized. So, this book is divided into four parts: strategy and planning. It also contains resources, including topo interviews. GS Studies Paper 1 PYQs are divided into 7 units and 43 topics. And also, PYQs of Paper 2 CSAT is categorized into 1 unit and 9 topics. And my favorite part in this book is the UPSC mains unsolved questions from general studies papers 1 to 4 from the year 2013 to 2025, divided topic wise. The explanations in this book is really flawless, errorless detailed solution for every question validated with the official UPSC answer key. It covers all the questions comprehensively, and this is the best resource for UPSC 2027 prelims and mains preparation. And this book is also authored by Mrunal Patel sir, who is renowned for his lucid explanation and strategic insights. This book is trusted by UPSC toppers and is also available in Hindi language as well. So, what are you waiting for? Purchase these books directly from Disha Publications website, and there is 40% discount going on right now. And if you want an extra discount, use my coupon Canopy05. Check the link in the description and grab it right now.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So, guys, I got my dinner. I'll finish my dinner, and then I still have, you can see here, I still have features. I am doing salient features right now. I have to compare parliamentary and presidential form of government, and then I'll be done with polity for today. After eating my dinner, I'll start working on that, and then we have newspaper analysis to finish, and after that we're done for the day. So, guys, I finally covered all the topics that I was supposed to do today. You can see the time right now, it is 11:41 p.m. and it's time to sleep. And today it took a lot of time to complete my task because I started late. Thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. If you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, keep
What the
fighting.
dog doing?